ஒரு விதமா இருக்கலாம், ஏதோ ஒரு வாழ்க்கை வாழ்ந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறோம், அதுல சாதனை படைக்கிறது த்ரைவ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறோமா, இந்த ஒரு விஷயத்தையும் நம்ம பார்க்கிறதுக்கு உண்டான விஷயம் தான் இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம், மை டியர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். So I would like to welcome none other than Ahmedabad's first global black diamond, Ruchi Dr. Ji. Over to you, Ruchi Ji.
Thank you so much. I'm trying to learn this language, and maybe within a month or so I'll be able to learn. But this much I have learned today. Vanakkam, Tamil Nadu. So thank you so much. It's such a beautiful country where we have so much to learn. We have so many languages, so many culture. And yes, there is an every possibility to thrive in our industry. Direct selling industry is booming. It is on the bend of the knee. It is growing in such a fast pace that if you pick up and hold yourself and start thriving, no one can stop you. So this session today, what dreams are made of? Survive or thrive. So I want to share a very, I would say that step by step through presentation, and don't want to motivate you. I think motivation doesn't last long. You know, if you motivate people just feel, oh, it was wonderful, it was nice. Next day, everything is the same. People don't change, right? So this is not about motivation. This is not about a temporary sharing. It is all about life changing. It is all about where we can say either you can survive or you can thrive. It is in your hand. How many of you are agree that yes, ma'am, it is in my hand? If I want to survive, it is my choice. And if I want to thrive, it is my choice. I don't know, Palani gives such a wonderful introduction. I don't know what he speaks, but I only feel good. It's a feel-good factor when he speaks about something. And I'm so proud and so happy that you have, Tamil Nadu has such a wonderful, very powerful, very enthusiastic and caring, very caring ASM, isn't it? How many of you agree with this statement? That you have got is an asset of Modicare, yes or no? If it is an asset, I want you to write yes. I want you to write. Let's see how many of you really love Palani. I love Palani. How many of you really love him? He starts this session with gives you a lot of thriving environment. Will give you pump you with a lot of energy. Gives you a lot of boosting and tells you yes, you are capable and you can do it. So I think I connect with Palani because he thrives and I also thrive. How many of you are agree that yes, he is an asset to Modicare? I want you to write yes. I want all yeses in a chat box. I want to see that how much you are alert and attentive. It is very, very important because we are here to thrive and to become leader in this industry. We want to grow. We want to help more people. So we are in a learning process. I welcome you all. I welcome you from bottom of my heart that yes, it's very important that we learn. First, if you are a learner, clap for yourself. Just clap on your shoulder. Just say, yes, I'm a learner. Anyone who is a learner is the first thing that he is beginning to thrive in life. So this presentation, this sharing definitely will help you to understand and the comparison between how you can actually think about life, right? So are you all ready? Are you all really ready? I want to see I am ready in a chat box. I just want to say yes, write down I in a chat box. Yes, ma'am, I am ready. Actually, I'm ready. Let me tell you, yesterday night I took a lot of time out to think about this, to give the best from whatever I can give from my side, and to get the. How many of you are really want Modicare and network marketing industry? In network marketing industry, how many of you really want Modicare should be number one? It's a world's, we should be in a world's greatest map, We should be in, compared to any other international first 10 company, we want to have our name there. If you really think about it, first, let me tell you, you think that company is thriving, you are thriving, area manager is thriving, company management is thriving, leaders are thriving, users are thriving, participants are thriving, and we all are thriving. And how we can do that? How we can do that? It's a question, right? How? What changes? What chemical changes can bring our environment successful and make us powerful? So survive or thrive. आज के सेशन में आप सभी का स्वागत है. So first thing is that what is survival? Let's say what is survival? इसके बारे में बात करते हैं. Yes, I can see so many. Yes, I'm ready. So I'm so very happy. So remember this. If you want this presentation, I will provide Palani. He will also share with you, and you can also share and do presentation on in your team also. Okay, do not limit yourself. It is in Modi Care, everything is everyone's asset, right? We are an asset for Samir Modi sir, and Samir Modi is an asset for us. We are one to all and all to one, right? So here it is said, try. Just do not be survive. Just do not survive. Thrive. What is the difference between surviving? Surviving means if you are on a ventilator, you are alive. Right? If you are on a ventilator, you are alive. But do you all like to be on ventilator? If you are in ventilator, you are surviving. But we don't want ventilators in life, right? So that is why we need to thrive. It is not just the lady luck, but your doggedness to aspire and perspire. I want to share here very clearly. Doggedness means your dedication. Anything which you do with your dedication, not a lady luck. है ना? हमारी गुजराती में ऐसे कहते घर में लक्ष्मी आ गई सब ठीक हो गया. आपको लगता है लक्ष्मी आने से घर में लक्ष्मी आ जाती है? शादी करके ब्याह करके औरत के घर में आ जाने से लक्ष्मी आ जाती है, ऐसा होता है? बेटे के जन्म हो जाने से लक्ष्मी आ जाती है, ऐसा होता है? No, it is not a lady luck. It is a complete dedication. If you are working and living your life with doggedness, means dedication to aspire and to perspire and thrive. So I want to share here what is the difference between thriving and surviving. Now, let us understand what is survive. Survive क्या है? Survive means just exist, isn't it? We all exist. Get up in the morning, have cup of tea. Afternoon के टाइम तक सोचो अरे बहुत काम हो गया, चाय पी ली यार, नहा लिया, तैयार हो गए, अरे ये हो गया, खाना खाने का वक्त हो गया, खाना खा लिया. आफ्टरनून में once again, now it is a time to have tea. This is how we survive. This is how we survive. We just exist. We do not have anything to look forward. Even patient on ventilator can survive, right? But this is life. Is it something surviving is a life? Think about yourself. We also think in such a way, I think just, okay. So even a patient on a ventilator can survive. Thrive is much more than that. Thriving is much more than surviving a patient like on a ventilator. It is completely living, growing, developing, prospering and flourishing for one's own good. अपने खुद के लिए, अपनी लाइफ के अच्छे के लिए, अपनी लाइफ में जो भी कुछ अच्छा हो सकता है उसके लिए, for one's own good, for others' benefit also. So it is very, very important. Direct selling industry, any project which is designed for bulk people, any project which is designed for n number of success, which is designed for n number of happiness, to help everyone in the society. These kind of projects help us thrive. And direct selling industry can help many more people. So when we are working in this industry, there are so many opportunities to help more and more people and grow from within. So that is called thriving, right? So let us, I hope, are you all understanding? Is my language okay? Is my language okay? Okay, fine. I want your consent before I move ahead. So जो थ्राइव सर्वाइव करते हैं ना, जो सर्वाइवल मोड में जीते हैं, वो लोग कैसे होते हैं? वो लोग पसंद करते हैं एक ऐसा रास्ता जिसमें अवरोध ना आए, रेजिस्टेंट फ्री, राइट? पीपल दोज हु वांट टू ओनली सर्वाइव, उनको कोई अवरोध अच्छा नहीं लगता है. और जिसको अवरोध अच्छा नहीं लगता, आपको क्या लगता है वो ग्रो करता है? क्या वो ग्रो करता है? जिसको रेजिस्टेंस नहीं पसंद है, रुकावट नहीं आनी चाहिए, कोई बाधा नहीं आनी चाहिए, कोई ऑब्स्टिकल नहीं आना चाहिए, आपको लगता है कि ऐसा व्यक्ति ग्रो कर सकता है? नॉट पॉसिबल, राइट? लिविंग इन सर्वाइवल मोड में जो रहता है वो एक ऐसा रास्ता पसंद करता है जो रेजिस्ट करता है, जो रेजिस्ट मतलब जिसको अवरोध पसंद नहीं है, और जीवन में जिसको ग्रो होना है, आगे बढ़ना है, उसको अवरोध और ऑब्स्टिकल्स तो आएंगे. सो इफ यू आर चूजिंग इनसाइड ऑफ यू, इफ यू आर चूजिंग कि हे भगवान मुझे ज्यादा परेशानियां दो, हे ईश्वर मुझे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम दो, गिव मी मोर ट्रबल, गिव मी मोर ऑब्स्टिकल सो दैट आई कैन थ्राइव. सो इफ यू चूज कि मुझे अवरोध ही नहीं चाहिए, मुझे कोई डिफिकल्टी नहीं चाहिए, मुझे आसान रास्ता चाहिए, मुझे तकलीफ ही नहीं होनी चाहिए, लाइफ में आप आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते, राइट? सो अगर आप सर्वाइवल मोड से निकलना चाहते हो तो ऑब्स्टिकल, प्रॉब्लम, ट्रबल, इन सारी चीजों से दोस्ती करनी पड़ेगी. You have to make friendship with obstacles. How many of you are ready to make friendship with obstacles to grow? How many of you are ready? If you are ready to make company and I would say that, you know, connection with obstacles. The obstacles are part of life, you know. If there is a spoke of the cycle goes down, another spoke comes up, right? एक साइकिल का स्पोक नीचे जाता है तो दूसरा ऊपर आता है, एक नीचे जाता है तो प्रॉब्लम ऊपर आता है. इसी तरह प्रॉब्लम होती है, एक खत्म हुई तो दूसरी ऊपर आ गई, दूसरी खत्म हुई तीसरी ऊपर आ गई, एक खत्म हुई और ऊपर आ गई. सिंपल सी बात है. How many of us really feel that successful people, they face even challenges after becoming even greatly successful? They even feel, how many of you feel that Tata doesn't have any problem now? अब उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, he's established, he has money. How many of you feel that Samir Modi ji with having 65,000 crore company doesn't have any obstacle? उनको कोई तकलीफ ही नहीं है. You know that when time changes, when situation changes, even in COVID situation, you see that our company is facing so many challenges. Why? Because our company is growing. Every time, every month, we are making more and more turnover. We are growing in such a way where things are changing for better. Things are changing for better. Plans are changing for better. Products are coming for better. But when new product comes, new challenge comes, right? When COVID comes, new challenge comes. When cyclone comes, new challenge comes. When so many natural calamities come, new challenges come for the company. But are we surviving or we are thriving? Tell me. The company is thriving. The company is going and moving ahead and making plans for international, you know, opening. So, जब आप आसान रास्ता चुनते हो या फिर कोई ऑब्स्टिकल्स नहीं चाहते हो, सर्वाइवल होता है. और लाइफ में अगर बहुत आगे बढ़ना है तो ऑब्स्टिकल्स के साथ दोस्ती कर लो. दिस इज व्हाट द मैसेज हियर. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. You are more reactive than proactive. This is very important to learn. My upline, you know, he arranges sessions, so I do it. My team leader, he organizes things, so I do it. आप react करोगे, आगे नहीं बढ़ोगे. You have to be proactive. Proactive means I take initiative. How many of you really want to give presentation like this? I want Palani ji that if people are ready to give presentation like this, we will have a special session for them that everyone will give presentation. Everyone will have their own presentation, right? If you are proactive means you take action that I don't want to listen Ruchi Doctor all my life. I want to speak on my screen, right? If you listen someone for entire life, what will happen? You keep listening. Reactive. Reactiveness doesn't makes you leader, right? It always helps you to survive, but you want to thrive. Listening to people, learning from people, it means it is a sign that now you have to grow and become independent on your own. You don't have to wait for someone else to tell you, आपको ये presentation करना चाहिए, आपको ऐसे करना चाहिए. आप गलतियां करो. जो गलतियां नहीं करता कभी लाइफ में आगे बढ़ता नहीं है. By making mistakes, only growth is possible. But if you do not make any mistakes, you are dying, right? So it is very much important. You make mistakes, but keep doing. You take initiative. Your name should be there on the poster. Bala Priya's session, Ambrose session, CC Santhil's session, right? Not Palaniappam. Everyone should speak. The more you speak and the more you take action, you become part of, you know, leadership, you become proactive, right? I'm so very glad that I get a chance to speak to n number of people. How much happy I'm feeling inside of you, I can't tell you even. And that is what I'm saying, this opportunity, grab it. But you have to become a leader. Your name should be there. You should respect your identity by becoming proactive, not reactive. Reaction means, oh, it was a good session, wonderful, very nice, Ruchi ma'am, excellent, good presentation. What does it make any difference to your life? it does make difference to my life, not your life. Let me tell you. If you want to make difference to your life, whether you know something, you even are ready for something or not, you have to start taking baby steps. That I want to take action. You know, I am a leader for my team. Start making calls to your team. Start making connection to your team. Start telling them that I am there to help you. How many of us really make calls to our team that I am there to help you? Call me anytime. If you need any help, call me anytime. We don't say, you know why we don't say? कहीं सामने से फोन आ गया तो जवाब देना पड़ेगा. And that is why we don't even make calls to people to feel that connection. But that is, let me tell you, it is a survival mode, my dear friends. It is just a surviving. Are you all with me? If you are all with me, write down yes in a chat box. Because I have only one way to ask this question. If I am in an audience with you, in a conference hall with 500 people, I can see your faces, I can see reaction from your eyes. But here, I want your reaction in a chat box. I hope what I'm trying to say you are understanding. If you are listening to leaders again and again and again, and if you do not take initiative to speak, start your own presentation, you are in a survival mode, right? I would request after this slide, Palani helps me to translate whatever I've spoken so that at least it will give little more clarity. Okay. Now, what people are those who are in survival mode. What do? First, they blame circumstances. They blame circumstances or others or find excuses when things go wrong. I did not become successful person in network marketing industry because my upline was not supportive. I become, I couldn't pursue network marketing powerfully because company management did not understand my problem. I become like this because, my wife is not supporting me. I become like this because my family doesn't support me. I become like this because, in life, everyone is network marketing is not everyone's cup of tea. In life, everyone cannot succeed in network marketing. These are all bullshit, nonsense excuses we keep giving without learning that what can be changed, what can we do, and how we can improve. People see outside problems bigger than their dreams, right? When you see outside problems are bigger than your dreams, you cannot achieve your dreams. You are still in a survival mode. 95% population, again and again, I'm telling you, in our country, it is a habit to survive. है ना? सर के ऊपर छत है, घर में रोज खाना मिलता है, कंफर्ट जोन में सब कुछ चल रहा है, 40-50 हजार रुपए में जिंदगी चल रही है, and these are the reasons becomes bigger for people. No, I'm completely fine. I don't need anything. Everything in life is so beautiful. And that is how we control our mind in a surviving mindset. These are excuses comes bigger than your life itself. How many of you really want to make life bigger than excuses? I want you to write in a chat box. How many of you really want to make life bigger than excuses? If you want to make life bigger than excuses, I want you to write. Write for yourself. Don't write for me. If you're writing for me, you're making mistake. I'm not here for me. I'm already achieving my targets. I'm achieving my goals. I'm very successful. I'm doing what I want to do. I'm happy doing what I want to do it. Are you happy doing what you want to do it? Is your excuses bigger than your life? Or your life is bigger than your excuses? This question you must ask before you sleep. And if you want the recording of this session, you will get it from Palaniji. Again, ask yourself that what am I doing in this industry? Am I surviving? Am I here to earn 20, 30, 40,000 rupees and sleep with it? Right? Or am I here to really make a major change in my life? If I'm here to make a major change in my life, I should really start thinking differently. Okay, yes, life is bigger than excuses. I get your answer. Thank you so much. People, those who are in survival mode, what they feel there is never enough to go around. अरे मेरे पास तो ये सुविधा नहीं है, मेरे पास Zoom का कनेक्शन नहीं है, मेरे पास एक समझदार अंडरस्टैंडिंग वाइफ नहीं है, मेरा बच्चा ना अभी थोड़ा बड़ा नहीं है, छोटा है ना, तो मैं नहीं कर सकती था. Small babies, I have lot of challenges. I can't do that. It is not. हमारे पास पैसा नहीं है. Such a big excuse. पैसा नहीं है तो फिर ज्यादा करना चाहिए. But people, those who want to live completely in survival mode, they always say, I don't have this. I can't speak better. I can't talk. I don't know how to interact. No one listens to me. People do not love me. There is nothing enough they have in their life. Do you think that is it a right way to lead life? How many of you have 3-4 lives spare? Anyone who has 3 to 4 lives spare? इस जन्म में कुछ नहीं होगा, अगले जन्म में ट्राई करेंगे. इस जन्म में तो अपन ना फॉलोअर बनते हैं, लीडर अगले जन्म में बनेंगे. Do we have that life? I ask these questions because people in their mind, they just do not value what they have in hand. If you do not value what you have, you can't what you want to be, right? So it is very, very important that do not try to think in this way. Survival mode में लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं. Okay.
Can I translate now?
Yes,
okay.
Yeah, that will be better. I think that will be better before we move ahead.
Done. Thank you. Friends, ஒரு சில விஷயங்கள் நம்ம வந்து ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான பாயிண்ட்கள்ல வந்து ருச்சி அவங்க சொல்லிக்கிட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க. பிழைக்கிறது நம்ம வாழ்க்கைங்கிறது பிழைச்சு வாழ்றதுக்காக இல்ல, செழித்து வாழ்றதுக்கு உண்டான விஷயமா நம்ம பார்க்க வேண்டியது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான விஷயம். அவங்க சொன்னது, நமக்கு வாழ்க்கை ஒரு முறைதான் நமக்கு இப்ப கிடைச்சிருக்குது. இங்க எத்தனை பேர் வந்து இன்னொரு 3 நாள் லைஃப் நமக்கு இருக்குது, ஸ்பேர் லைஃப் இருக்குது. இந்த லைஃப்ல நான் வந்து ஒரு ஃபாலோவரா இருந்துக்கிறேன், அடுத்த ஒரு லைஃப்ல நான் வந்து ஒரு லீடரா இருக்கிறேன். அப்படி இல்லை. வாழ்க்கை ஒரு முறைதான். இந்த வாழ்க்கையை நம்ம முழுமையா வாழ்ந்து கொண்டு இருக்கிறோமா? இதுதான் முக்கியமான கேள்வி. இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு சில விஷயங்கள் சொன்னது, நோ லக் லேடின்னு ஒரு விஷயம் சொல்றாங்க. அதிர்ஷ்டம் அது இஷ்டத்தோட தான் வரும். அது அப்படி இல்ல மை டியர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். டெடிகேஷன் நம்ம என்ன ஒரு விஷயம் பண்ணாலுமே, நம் கனவா இருக்கட்டும் என்னவா இருக்கட்டும், அது நம்மளால கண்டிப்பாக கொண்டு வந்து நிறுத்த முடியும். சர்வைவல் பிழைத்து கொண்டு இருக்கிறவங்க இன்னைக்கு நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் பெட்லயும் இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஆக்சிஜன்ல எடுத்துக்கிட்டு அவங்க வென்டிலேட்டர்ல இருக்கிறாங்க, உயிர் வாழ்ந்துகிட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க. ஆனா சாதனை பண்றதுக்கு உண்டான பிறப்பை நீங்க எடுத்திருக்கிறீங்க. திங்க் அபவுட் இட் மை டியர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். அவங்க சொன்ன ஒரு சில விஷயங்கள் ரைட். அடுத்தது அவங்க சொல்றது என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா, பிரச்சனைகளே இல்லாத ஒரு வாழ்க்கை எனக்கு வேணும். இது யாரு சொல்ல? பிழைக்க வந்தவர்கள் அத்தனை பேருமே சொல்லுவாங்க, எனக்கு லைஃப்ல ப்ராப்ளம்ஸே இருக்கக்கூடாது. ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் இருக்கக்கூடாது. ஒரு சைடு இருக்குது, ப்ராப்ளம சந்திக்கிறதுக்கு எனக்கு சக்தி கொடு. இதுதான் நீங்க த்ரைவ்ல இருக்கிறீங்கன்னா, ப்ராப்ளம சந்திக்கிறதுக்கு சக்தி கொடுன்னு தான் நம்ம இருக்கணும். திங்க் அபவுட் இட். அதுக்கு அடுத்தது அவங்க சொல்றது, நம்ம சர்வைவ் மோட்ல போறோம்னா நம்ம நிறைய விஷயங்கள் வந்து பழிகள் நிறைய பேர்ட்ட போடுறதுக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் நிறைய இருக்குது. கவர்மெண்ட் சரியில்லை, கொரோனா சிச்சுவேஷன்ஸ் இருக்குது, எனக்கு ஜூம்குள்ள பண்ண தெரியாது. மை டியர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இன்னைக்கு ருச்சி டாக்டரோட பேர் இன்னைக்கு போஸ்டர்ல போட்டு வச்சிருக்கிறோம். இங்க நம்ம எல்லாருக்குமே உங்க போஸ்டர் இருக்கணும் ஆசை இருக்குதா இல்லையா? சோ டேக் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி அவங்க சொல்றாங்க. ப்ரோஆக்டிவா நம்ம இருக்க வேண்டியது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ரியாக்டிவ் எல்லாருமே இருப்பாங்க, சிச்சுவேஷன்ஸ்கள் நிறைய விஷயங்கள் சொல்லுவாங்க. இன்னொரு முக்கியமான விஷயம், நம்ம மறுபடியும் சொல்லிக்கிட்டு இருக்கிற ஒரு விஷயம், மேக் மிஸ்டேக்ஸ், டோன்ட் ரிப்பீட் தட் மிஸ்டேக். மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருங்க, புது மிஸ்டேக் நம்ம பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருப்போம். பண்ண மிஸ்டேக் திருப்பி நம்ம பண்ண வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்லை, ரைட்? அதுக்கு அடுத்தது நம்ம ரொம்ப முக்கியமான விஷயம், ஏதோ நான் இருந்து கொண்டு இருக்கிறேன், ஐ எம் ஓகே, 40,000 ரூபாய் சம்பாரிச்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன், 50,000 ரூபாய் சம்பாரிச்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்கிறேன், இந்த வாழ்க்கை தான் நம்ம வாழ்றதுக்கு வந்திருக்கிறோமா? இன்னும் நிறைய விஷயங்கள் சாதனை பண்ண வேண்டியது இருக்குது. சோ இந்த ஒரு விஷயம் தான் இது வரைக்கும் அவங்க சொல்லியிருக்கிறாங்க. புல்லட் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் தான் நான் உங்களுக்கு கவர் பண்ணிருக்கிறேன். ஓவர் டு யூ ருச்சிஜி.
Thank you so much. So let's move ahead. Again, I would say that if you do not speak up your mind because others might disagree. Sometimes, we are afraid. मैं घर में ये बोलूंगी कैसा लगेगा, मैं एरिया मैनेजर को ये पूछूंगी कैसा लगेगा, मैं अपने अपलाइन को ये बात करूंगा कैसा लगेगा. What will happen? Sometimes, we speak up our mind. If you don't speak up your mind, what you have inside of you, you are inside of you, breeding something which is actually not coming up to help you to grow. So you have to speak up, speak up. I spoke to Palani. I want to take session for Tamil Nadu team. I have my people, maybe very few, but let us do something together. And then when you speak up your mind, it opens new doors, right? It opened new doors. Today I told you that I want to learn this language. Even I was not knowing a difference. What is a Tamil? What is the difference between Tamil and Telugu? He said, no, it is not Telugu, it is Tamil. Then I said, I want to learn 2 languages. But if I speak up in my mind that yes, I want to speak, I want to learn, then only growth is possible. We all can do it. If you do not listen to hear, sometimes see what happens, we listen only because we want to listen. सुनी सुनाई बातें किसी ने सुना दिया, हमने सिर्फ सुन ली. And you listen to answer. Answer तो अच्छा शब्द है, but there is one beautiful word, retaliate. People only listen because they want to react. है ना? Sometimes I have seen, being a public speaker for many years, when I used to take a lot of public speaking training programs and all, so there are so many people, they sit like this, they sit like this. Can you see my posture? If you are speaking, and they sit like this, and what speaker क्या बोलता है? It means they sit in such a way to react कि आपकी गलती कहाँ से निकाले, from where to find your problem, where you go wrong, and I will catch you by tongue. This is what people do. So people only listen to answer कि आप कुछ गलत करो, हम बैठ कर रहे हैं, आप गलत करो, and sometimes this creates a problem in us. So let me tell you that you don't have to listen. You don't listen to hear. That's a problem. You listen to hear someone. May not be 100% agree, may not be connected exactly what that person is saying, but listen properly. And after listening to hear, also you listen to answer. Answer means, again I was saying, don't retaliate, react, but in such a way where you are in a survival mode. तो आप उसी चीजों को आंसर करते हो जो आपके मन में है. But if you hear with openness, someone is better to offer you, someone is bigger to share with you. That is very important. You see failure as the end result of the things go wrong. You see failures as the end result of things go wrong. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है लोग जो सर्वाइवल मोड में होते हैं वो काम ही शुरू ऐसे करते हैं, उनको फेलियर ही दिखता है as an end result. कर रहे हैं. I want to hear pause, and again I want to ask you a few questions. You are in network marketing industry, you are in Modi Care, you are in this business opportunity which is working, but you know what? Along with your working, in the back of your mind, you are also thinking, agar main fail ho gaya to? How many of you really think? Put a hand on your heart and write down in a chat box. Yes, I have a fear that I might fail. I want to ask you, if you have fear inside of you that I might fail, what if I go wrong? What if the result doesn't come? What if I fail? These things are questions to a survival mode people. They are still not changing, right? They do business, but what happened? They think in the back of the mind, Priya is successful, Sentinel is successful, Meenaji is successful, Ambrose is successful, but what about me? I might fail, I might go wrong, I might do this, I might not get platform, people will not recognize me, I will not be identified. These are all questions of a survival mode people. If you want to get rid of this survival mode, think that what is going wrong, because it's here, it's all, the whole game is here in your brain. If your brain is answering this, I might go wrong, I might do this, I might not succeed, I'm not capable, I'm not good enough, this is here. If you are still in a business and you want to grow, these questions, face it boldly. If you do not face these questions and shut our brain, shut our mind and keep saying, nahi, sab theek hoga, you have to rectify, correct your brain and correct your life, right? Correct your mind and correct your life. These failures, if they are coming, talk to people. Tell your upline, I'm in the business, I still feel fear. What do? He will answer. Go to someone who is better than you. Is it wrong to go to someone who is better than you? Every child comes to the mother or not? Every child comes to a father or not? Papa, ye chahiye. Papa, ye nahi ho raha hai. Mommy, this is not happening. Here also in business, you have your upline, someone who is smarter than you, bigger than you, better than you, mature than you, experienced than you. So many people are available, but you do not ask questions. And if you do not ask what happened, you be with failure and you are still in a survival mode. Again, when I say survival, think about people, those who are in ventilator in COVID-19. Do you want to be on ventilator later on, like COVID-19 people are, in hospital, they are in ventilator? If they are in a hospital, in your mind, there is still a ventilator. If you are not changing your mindset, if you are not changing your survival mode to thriving mode, you are not going to become successful, my dear friends. So here, one more thing. People, just a second. One more thing for a survivor. Change scares you. सबसे पहला चेंज क्या आता है when you come in network marketing? पता है आपको प्रॉब्लम इज नहाने का साबुन बदलने लोगों को डर लगता है. This is the biggest scare in our country. Can you imagine? That if I take bath by changing my soap, I will not be happy. My husband will not like bath soap. My husband will not like this toothpaste. My husband, my child, I want him to use a Johnson and Johnson only. I don't want to compromise on a quality for my child. These are all nonsense questions people scared of. Can you imagine? People do not realize what is happening around them, but people are scared of. But have you come out of this scaredness? Are you happy with Modicare products? Are you happy with the company? Are you happy with area manager? Are you happy with management? If yes, that scary part is gone. But again, I would say change is still not 100% happening in people because they feel that, okay, still ho raha hai, but people are scared to success. People are scared to open up. People are scared to speak to other people. किसी को फोन पे बात किया, किसी ने मना कर दिया, and we are scared. No, it is a matter of my image, How come you tell me no? आप ना कैसे बोल सकते हो? And people are scared of. Husband says, don't go and talk to people about bath soap. It looks very ugly for our family. It makes creates a bad image for our family. And we listen to all this nonsense and stop tasting. Again, we are scared. Is it happening to everyone's life? If you are facing all these challenges, let me tell you, everyone goes through this challenging. We all are sailing in the same boat. But if you want to get rid of this survival mode, if you want to get rid of your life wants to become larger than your excuses, you have to change. And change scares you. If change doesn't scare you, बदलाव से डर नहीं लगता, तो वो आ सकता. आपको पता है कुछ लोगों को Zoom पे आने में डर लगता था when this first waves of COVID started. No, ma'am, I can't come on Zoom, Someone will hack my bank account. Can you imagine the foolishness of answers, such answers? How can someone hack your bank account by coming on Zoom? But that scares people, isn't it? I can't give you my NEFT detail because if I give you my NEFT detail, company will take money from my account. People get scared of silly things, isn't it? But are we laughing on this? Yes, because they don't know how foolish and silly answers they give at times, right? And unknowingly give your hand to the fire, people doesn't scare. Giving a bank account or NEFT or asking for a soap or getting a no from people are scared of. If you're scared of, you are surviving. You're not changing life, right? There's nothing happening in your life. You're still in 95% people category. And successful people want to be in a 5% people category, right? If I want success, I will be in a 5% category. Why will I be in a crowd? Why will I be in a herd mentality? Why will I be secure? I don't want to be secure, but I want to secure my future, so I will not get scared, right? I will not get fear inside of me. I'll just bust out. I'll give my best. I'll be the best in whatever I can do. Human being is made to thrive. It's not made. Have you seen a tree? Anyone of you have seen a tree? Are trees surviving or thriving? Tell me. Trees. I'm talking about trees. Are trees surviving or thriving? If you have not seen tree properly, go and look tree today. Yes, I'm saying that. Why I'm saying, see, it's a very big connection. Being a coach, this is what my observation. I observe things, and an observer, let me tell you, that if you see tree outside, there was a one seed out of that tree comes out, and how beautifully it thrives. It grows and becomes so big where so many other creatures can survive. So many birds can make their nest. So many, and they give us oxygen. Let me tell you, are we dependent on trees? They give us oxygen, right? Can we manage without oxygen? Can we manage? Can we manage without such beautiful thing, which is life, this which is giving us life? We call it a pran vayu, right? Oxygen means pran vayu. how can you miss on observing those who are thriving? Because trees are thriving. That's a lesson. Don't learn from anyone. If you don't want to learn from anyone, don't learn. Learn from nature. Trees always thrives. Does tree ask for any acceptation? Are they surviving? Are they surviving? No, they are not surviving because they are not scared of growth. Right? They do not wait to give shelter to people. They do not select people. They do not think. It's unlimited process, right? And nature helps us to give us these ideas that we can thrive. Now here, what you can do, what I can do, what we can do about thriving. So before we start thriving, I want Palani to wrap up the earlier part, because I just don't want people, those who do not follow my language, I don't want them to miss. So please, Palani ji.
Sure, ma'am. So my dear friends, இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு சில விஷயங்கள் கீ பாயிண்ட்ஸ் மட்டும் நான் உங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணிடுறேன். ஸ்பீக் அப், அவங்க சொன்னது ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒரு பாயிண்ட். கேளுங்கள் தரப்படும், தட்டுங்கள் துறக்கப்படும். இது எல்லாருக்குமே நமக்கு தெரிஞ்ச ஒரு வாசகம் தான். பட் எத்தனை பேர் நம்ம அதை ஃபாலோ பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம்? ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமான விஷயம். கேட்க வேண்டியது, எனக்கு என்ன தேவை, அதை நீங்க கேட்க வேண்டியது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். இன்னொரு விஷயம், ஒருத்தங்க இன்னொருத்தங்கள்ட்ட பேசும்போது தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்காக கேட்கிறாங்களா இல்ல புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்காக கேட்கிறாங்களா, ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான விஷயம். ஹியர் பண்றதுக்கா இல்ல ரிப்பீட்டா அவங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்றதுக்கான்னு. நம்ம நிறைய டைம் என்ன பண்றோம்னா, மறுபடியும் அவங்களுக்கு பதில் சொல்றதுக்கு உண்டான விஷயத்துக்காக நம்ம கேட்டுக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். புரிதல் இருக்க வேண்டியது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒரு விஷயம். சோ ஒரு கான்வர்சேஷன் நடக்குதுன்னா புரிதல், ஒருத்தவங்க பேசுறது நம்ம புரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டியது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான விஷயம் அவங்க சொல்லிக்கிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. ரைட். அடுத்தது, நம்ம இத மாதிரி ஒரு பிரசன்டேஷன்ல போறோம், எங்கேயாச்சும் ஒரு ட்ரைனிங் அட்டென்ட் பண்றோம்னா பாடி லாங்குவேஜ் பத்தி அவங்க சொன்னாங்க, எப்படி உட்கார்ந்து இருப்பாங்கன்னு. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான விஷயம். இந்த இடத்துல நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டியது, அந்த இடத்துல பிழைகள் என்னெல்லாம் கண்டுபிடிக்கும்னு பாக்குற மனிதர்கள் எத்தனோ பேர் இருக்கிறாங்க. அவங்க பேசும்போது வார்த்தைகள்ல இந்த வார்த்தையை சொல்லியிருந்தா நல்லா இருந்திருக்கும், அந்த நேரம் வார்த்தை சொல்லியிருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும், இது 1 மணி நேரத்துக்கு பதிலா 45 நிமிஷம் வச்சிருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும், அரை மணி நேரம் வச்சிருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும். சஜஷன் மோடா இருக்கட்டும், பிழைகள் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்காக இங்க இல்ல நம்ம வாழ்க்கை வாழ்ந்து கொண்டு இருக்கிறது. இங்க இருந்து ஏதாச்சும் நம்ம கத்துக்க முடியுமா, ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான விஷயம். அடுத்தது, இத மாதிரி சிச்சுவேஷன்ஸ்கள் நமக்கு வருதுன்னா, நமக்கு மாதா பிதா குரு தெய்வம்னு நமக்கு இருக்குது, நம்மளோட அப்லைன், அவங்கள்ட்ட போய் நீங்க கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணலாம். வளர்றதுக்கு உண்டான விஷயங்கள் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு, எங்கேயாச்சும் ஒரு தவறு நடக்குதுன்னு உங்களுக்கு தோணுதுன்னா ஆள் மனசுல, அப்லைன்ட்ட போய் நீங்க கண்டிப்பாக கேட்டு தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டியது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். சேஞ்ச் ஸ்கேர்ஸ்னு சொன்னாங்க. மாற்றம் ஒன்றுதான் மாறாதது. மாற்றங்களுக்கு பயந்து நிறைய பேர் வந்து அவங்க எக்ஸாம்பிள், அழகான ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொன்னாங்க. குளிக்கிற சோப்பு பத்தி எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுத்தாங்க. ப்ராடக்ட பத்தி, ப்ராசஸ்ல பயப்படுறது ஸ்கேர் இருக்குது. ஏன், இஃப் யூ ஆஸ்க் மீ, சக்சஸ்க்கும் ஸ்கேர் இருக்குது. வெற்றி அடைஞ்சிட்டேன்னா என்ன ஆகும், சமாளிக்க தெரியாத ஒரு விஷயங்களும் இருக்கிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் நிறைய இருக்குது. அடுத்தது அவங்க ட்ரீயை பத்தி சொன்னாங்க. விதைகள், ஒரு விதை தான் மிகப்பெரிய காடா உருவாக்கி இருக்குது. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம உயிர் வாழ்றதுக்கு ரொம்ப முக்கியமான விஷயம் ஆக்சிஜனா இருக்கட்டும், பழ வகைகளா இருக்கட்டும், இது எல்லாத்துக்குமே நம்ம இன்னைக்கு அந்த ட்ரீல இருந்து சர்வைவ் பண்றதுக்கு உண்டான விஷயம் இருக்குது. பட் அது த்ரைவ் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்குது. பல பேர் கூட வாழ்க்கையை மாத்துறதுக்கு உண்டான விஷயங்கள் இருக்குது. அவங்க இன்னொரு முக்கியமான விஷயம் சொன்னாங்க, எங்கள்கிட்ட இருந்து நீங்க கத்துக்கணும்னு ஒரு விஷயம் இருக்கலாம், ஆனா நேச்சர்ட்ட இருந்து கத்துக்கிறதுக்கு பல லட்சக்கணக்கான விஷயங்கள் இருக்குது. அதுதான் அவங்க சொன்னாங்க. Over to you, Ruchiji.
Thank you so much. So now let's very fast be with our own self, right? Those who want to, how many of you really want to thrive life? I don't want to survive. Actually, I don't want to survive. I don't want to survive, and I don't want to be in a company of survival. I want to thrive. I don't want to be in a ventilator. If you don't want to be in a ventilator, write down in a chat box that yes, I want to thrive. THRIV. I want you to write in a chat box so that I can start here in 5-10 minutes. I want to share this. Let me tell you, I don't want to speak, or I don't speak only for sake of speaking. That is my nature. I don't do anything for sake of doing. I am a person who born and brought up from a middle class family, have seen all the challenges in life, but I never wanted to restrict myself. I never wanted to have limited life. I wanted to thrive. And that's what I'm doing. If you are doing something, then only you can share with others, isn't it? Right? Practice before you preach. If someone is preaching so much and there is no practice, there is no point. So I feel inside of me, if you look at me, I'm always happy like this. When I get a chance to share with something, I feel that I get the most noblest task on this planet. People understand me, don't understand me, I don't worry about it. I keep doing because I feel it's very important to be yourself, right? If you look at me, let me tell you, I don't prepare for preparing only things. This is what I'm sharing because I feel it inside of me. And the moment you start feeling, you are becoming, knowing yourself. Start knowing yourself. You have something so beautiful which the other person doesn't have it, right? If you know yourself, you can thrive. Just believe in yourself. God has given you best life, and are we all alive? We are so lucky. Let me tell you, we are so lucky that in spite of all these major challenges, we are breathing. This is very important. Know yourself. Second, choose to fill your day with activities that use your skill. जहाँ पे स्किल का इस्तेमाल होता हो, ज्यादा से ज्यादा आप स्किल डेवलप कर सको, ऐसी एक्टिविटीज करो, राइट? स्ट्रेंथ, स्किल एंड पैशन. Strength, skill, and passion helps you to thrive. ऐसी चीजें करो. What do we do it? What are the skills you can develop? By attending such sessions, by knowing product more, by talking to people more, by facing more rejection, by understanding and reading more about network marketing, to understand and think what direct selling industry can do for you, how people are successful. Whole YouTube is loaded with knowledge. Right? Anytime, anywhere, there are opportunity to develop your skill, strength, and passion. That is what makes you thriving. And surround yourself with other thrivers. Those who are all the time happy. I love Palani, to be with Palani, because yes, he built inside of me, I feel joy, you know. If I'm sad and down and I listen to him, I feel happy. I don't know the language even. But when I listen to him, I feel happy because he's here to help. This is what he's projecting. This is what he's showing. And you have to surround yourself with people, those who are thrivers. Thrive physically, mentally, and emotionally. Physical thriving is very important, you know, bubbling with joy. Tell people around you, if you love someone in your family, husband, wife, your children, go and tell them, I love you. That's a gesture. That's a gesture to connect emotionally. That's a gesture to connect mentally. That gives you power. Do whatever you like. Go for a morning walk, you know. You can also read some beautiful book. Watch some powerful videos. You know, speak well. Learn something. Do something which also uplift you physically. Do some exercise, or maybe a walk, or maybe, just a small garden stretch. Just do something, whatever you like. That gives you thriving. Be with nature also. Here, take this thriving path. Think about how you want to feel rather than what do you want to have or do. कभी कभी हम बहुत ज्यादा सोचते हैं, मैं ये करूंगा. शेख चिल्ली आपने देखा? शेख चिल्ली, एक दिन मैं ये बन जाऊंगा, एक दिन ऐसे कर दूंगा, दुनिया में ये चेंज लाऊंगा. Just don't do all this, you know. क्या चाहिए, क्या होगा, क्या है, उससे ज्यादा how do you feel inside of you? That feel is more important than anything else. Because feel is everything. If the feel is powerful, it's a process of thriving, right? अब feel ऐसा है कि मैं मर जाऊंगा तो, कोविड में मेरा नंबर लग गया तो, है ना, मेरी फैमिली में ये हो गया तो, survival mode. Thriving means everything is super. I feel so good. I express my gratitude to God that I'm alive. Every morning when you wake up, and if you just fold your hand and say, thank you, I'm alive, I'm myself, it's one first step towards thriving. It works, my dear friends. Honestly, I tell you, it works. It works wonderfully well because you connect yourself with nature. You connect yourself with Almighty. You connect yourself with aura. You connect with right people. Everything starts from this feel. And that feel is very, very important. Time is running. Slides are more. I'm not waiting. But I'm just telling you fast few things. Remind yourself of the time in the past. Past के बारे में सोचिए, जब आप खुश कब थे, है ना? अगर आप शादी वाले दिन खुश थे ना, जिस दिन शादी, तो उस दिन को याद करो. Just imagine, lie down and how happy I was the day I got married. Sad थे तो I'm sorry for people those who are sad. उनके साथ कुछ गलत हुआ, I'm helpless. But I was very happy the day I got married. But if you are happy of something, the day you had your baby, the day you got your first check, the day you got your first recognition, the day you got your first award, the day someone says like, thank you, because you are there, my life is beautiful. All the reasons to thrive, you will get it. Go in the past, dig in the past and get the best and visualize all the times that remember how you felt. कैसा आपने महसूस किया था? पहली बार जब मैंने अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को देखा, पहली बार मैं अपनी बीवी से मिला, पहली बार मुझे recognition किया गया. There are so many reasons to think about life. But we have a habit, गलत ही सोचना. क्या गलत हुआ था उसको प्रिजर्व करना, नेगेटिविटी को भरे रखना, एंड देन थिंक अबाउट मैं लाख रुपए कमाऊंगा, मैं 2 लाख कमाऊंगा, मैं ये करूंगा. कैसे होगा? Instead of that, start imagining what you felt in your life. One more important thing, take a thriving part with a vision board. It's very important, my dear friends. Being a coach and business coach and life coach, this is what I tell people. I tell everyone. If you have a vision board clear, if you come to my home, I have 1 bedroom. In that 1 bedroom study room, I have a huge size vision board, very big vision board, which is beyond my reach, beyond my reach. I'm very small, but my vision board is so big. So big means that I want to travel the world on a sea, cruise mein jana hai. The whole world, my family and entire family will go on a cruise. I want to have a huge art center. I want to have something very, very big, massive, So anything what you want to have big, that builds your vision board. Okay, life is not spontaneously happening in one moment. It is spontaneously happening in every moment. And that every moment, we don't know, it is moving on. But if your vision is in front of you, it helps you. It helps you to grow. It helps you to get rid of all your limitations. And one more thing here, spend time with nature. I would say again, if you want to thrive, not just go and watch tree. That will help you, honestly. It helps me. One day I feel that I should grow any number of trees in the world before I die. If you have that feel, at least karo na karo, but watch nature. Be with trees or be with something animal even. Something, a small creature. Maybe it gives you, watch a sparrow. You will feel that there is something connection with nature and helps us to think better. Ponder with yourself, be with yourself. When you are being with yourself, again, it helps you. Take a class or attend a retreat. I think, is it a retreat today? Is this session is a treat? Does it helps you to get a treat for yourself? Does it a treat? Let me tell you, I prepared this. When I prepared this session, I prepared this. I don't prepare only for just, killing my time or just, gain something. Nothing. I just prepared. If you're attending a treat, take a class. There are so many mentors on YouTube, even people around us in this industry. There are so many trainers, coaches, mentors. Listen to Dr. Surekha Bhargava. If you watch her videos, if you watch n number of videos, you will find so many things to know. Even we are so small, we don't know anything. It's all free. And one more thing, grab a book by someone who inspires you. Read something. Always make a book your friend. Listen to a podcast or a webinar. That helps. Every day, not in a very productive time. Again, I would say network marketing is such a difficult business. People keep watching all the day podcast and webinar. They do nothing. It's useless, my dear friends. It's useless. When you are brushing your teeth in the morning, put a headphone on, and while brushing your teeth, while having your cup of tea, half an hour, you must watch something. That's it. Don't overload your brain. Otherwise, it will go dead. Limited edition learning. But should be podcast or webinar. But half an hour in the morning when you are not talking to anyone, being with yourself. Do something that scares you. Honestly. It means if you are worried about you have not spoken to someone for so many time, and if you speak to that person will not like you. Ho sakta hai. That's scary, right? So, okay, I want to unmute some people. How many of you can say what is scary for you? I want to unmute. Can you unmute yourself? Parani, is it possible to have people unmuted?
Yes, madam.
Yeah. Let's unmute few people. What scares you?
Hello, you have to unmute yourself, ma'am. Ruchiji, you have to unmute yourself.
Okay, fine. So I want to ask you, what scares you? Tell me. Can anyone tell me what scares you? Let's make it interactive. Let's make it just few minutes interactive.
Yeah, my name is Swaminathan. Actually, what scares me exactly, sometimes I procrastinate. I postpone some point, some item. I listed few items to do today, but I will complete 2 or 3. But rest of things I will postpone it simply. That really scares me.
Okay, so if you postpone something that scares you, right? Okay, so you will keep doing this again and again.
No, I later on realized, actually past few years I realized and I eat that hard frog story. I listened to that frog story.
Got it.
That I'm eating every day that biggest frog first, then only going next.
Okay, so you have to do what scares you.
Yeah.
If you keep doing that scares you, will come out of it, right? Balakrishna, yes, you can unmute yourself, sir.
Ma'am, this is Vijayan from Tirchi, Tamil Nadu.
Please, Vijayan. Please. What scares you?
Whatever we speak business, always positive things. Always people are negative things.
That
That
scares
point.
you.
No. I am daily. I am going to people.
Okay.
Always positive people in the business. They are also negative things only.
Okay, so that scares
that
you?
is-
Does that scares
No.
you? Okay.
No. I'm. So objection handling is very powerful to me. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, fine. But what scares you? Vijayan, what scares you?
No, that people only scares you. That people only scares.
People scares us.
Yeah.
So let me
Negative
tell
people.
you.
Negative
Yes.
people.
So is this everything with everyone in network marketing industry? That when we start the business and when we are on the journey of becoming successful, is every leader gets scared? Is that answer is yes? It means yes, you have to do that thing more and more. Because the more you get scared and you do things which scares you, it only gives you success, right? So thriving means, yes, Janvi, what scares you?
Ma'am, actually, whenever I make videos of products, so always scares कि मैं ठीक से नहीं बोल पा रही हूँ.
Wow,
So
see, amazing. I got it. See, if you feel that if I want to make videos for product and if I get scared, if you are keep doing the same thing, you are thriving. If you're living that, oh, it scares me, I don't want to do it, you are going back to survival mode. But if you
So
say it scares me, yes, definitely, that's good. Give a clap to Janvi. Let us give everyone clap to Janvi. Do things which scares you. That is the way to thrive. That's it. It thrives. It scares me. Let me tell you, I want to tell you. It scared me to speak in English because I'm a complete Gujarati medium girl who learned throughout in Gujarati language. Started learning English from ABCD and was not able to read one paragraph of Times of India. Opening newspaper and closing it. Opening newspaper and closing it as if like the black letters like buffalo. Honestly. Was not able to even make a single sentence, got 35 marks even to graduate, pass the degree, that's it. But I was thinking a day will come that I'll be able to be solid in my language. One day it will come. It thrives me because whatever scares you, keep doing. 15 years I kept doing completely things which helped me to rose my level up to a level where I am right now. And it is not enough. Life is not enough. I feel it is just the beginning. We are not enough. We are capable of doing so much. Do something which scares you. If people are saying no, go and knock their doors. I am in network marketing. I am here to change your life. क्या बोलता है बोलो. ना बोलेगा तो क्या करेगा? गन लगाएगा सर के ऊपर? No. Just your inside of you will open up. You will blast and you will grow. And that is called thriving. Time is running, but still I have just one more things to say. So let me complete this. Change your habit. Sometimes, okay, this is very, very important. Change your habit. Do things which scares you, right? I want you to even, if you want again to share this presentation, Palani will help you to have this presentation once again by interactive conversation. He will be asking questions and you will say, मुझे ये डर है, आके निकाल दो, बता दो किसी को, ये प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे बीवी से डर लगता है, बता दो ना, डर निकल जाएगा, है ना? मुझे ये डर है, मुझे वेलनेस की प्रोडक्ट प्रमोट करने से डर लगता है, मुझे जूम पे बात करने से डर लगता है, मुझे लोगों को बताने से डर लगता है, मुझे अपने फेलियर से डर लगता है, मुझे whatever you have in your mind, anything, right? But when you talk, it happens. Change a habit. People won't change overnight. Yes or no? Is it possible to change overnight? No. But if you change it drop by drop, start making small changes. Like start making small changes. इस बात से डर लगता है, इस बात को बदलना है. Identify what change you want. If you identify, ये change होना चाहिए. I am very shy. I am very underconfident. I want to become confident. Right? Small change. Slowly, daily observe something in you. We observe other people so much, but we forget to observe our own self. Yes or no? And life is only possible when you observe yourself. You observe that what is wrong with me, what is wrong I am doing, what change I need, what opportunity I am missing to even grow. Inside of you, if there is some change is happening, then only change outside is possible, right? So every day, slowly, small steps, right? Don't eat everything. If you eat too much, what will happen? Indigestion. But small things, small changes is possible. We have long life to live. We are going to live 60, 70, 80 years. We are not going to die. But if you are not changing, things are becoming difficult for us. And last but not the least, try to be in a company of those who believe in thriving. Network marketing, let me tell you, I have worked with N number of corporate companies. People are pulling legs outside. People don't want to see other person successful. I have worked with the biggest paramilitary force of India, CRPF. I'm an in-house coach and trainer for IES, Internal Security Academy of India. I have worked with more than 2.5 lakhs people by now in last 15 years of my career outside the world of network marketing. People are not wanting someone's growth. This industry is helping you to grow. Just let me tell you, believe in yourself that yes, I'm in a company of right people. Industry helps. The whole environment is helping. But inside of us, if you're not believing, nothing will happen. And let me tell you, if my mission in life is not to merely survive, this statement, you can use it for yourself. It is not only for me, but you can use it for yourself. That this mission in life, not merely to survive, but to thrive and do something passionately, compassionately, and with humor and smile and style. Be a humorous, be a happy person, read some jokes, be light, एकदम हवा के जैसा, पानी में तैरता हुआ हल्का. If you feel inside of you and you live your life with style, everything is possible. To thrive instead of just survive, be purpose driven. And when we have purpose in life, it becomes bigger than what you do. So this is my end of the presentation. Over to Palini. I tried to cover. It was little longer, lengthier. Yes, but I made this to the point presentation to help you out so that, Palini, over to you.
Thank you, Ruchiji. Thanks a lot. இங்க ஒரு சில விஷயங்கள் நம்ம வந்து ஃபாஸ்டா கவர் பண்ணிடுறேன். உங்களுக்கு அவங்க ருச்சி அவர்கள் சொன்ன okay.
Start your video, Palini, so that
yeah, that's all. I'll do it. Okay. So, my dear friends, இந்த இடத்துல அவங்க ஒரு சில விஷயங்கள் சொன்னது ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்டா.
Just to say, to see you very happy is again thriving.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am. அச்சா, so my dear friends, இந்த இடத்துல நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டிய முக்கியமான விஷயங்கள் அவங்க சொன்னது, know yourself, உன்னை அறிந்தால் உலகத்தை உன்னால ஆள முடியும். முக்கியமான விஷயம், என்னோட பலம் என்ன, நான் எந்த இடத்துக்கு எதை நோக்கி நான் பயணம் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன், முக்கியமான விஷயங்கள் நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டியது. அடுத்த ஒரு விஷயம் சொன்னது என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா, ஒவ்வொரு நாளும் நமக்கு கிடைக்கிறது. ஜஸ்ட் fill it. எதை வச்சுன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா நம்ம வாழ்க்கையில பல விஷயங்கள் பண்றது, ஸ்கில்லா இருக்கட்டும், நம்மளோட பேஷனா இருக்கட்டும், அதை வச்சு முழுமையாக என்னெல்லாம் நேரம் கிடைக்குதோ அது எல்லாமே நம்ம கரெக்டான விதத்துல நம்ம ஃபில் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். முக்கியமான விஷயம் அவங்க சொன்னது, சரவுண்ட் யுவர் செல்ஃப். யார் கூடன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா நம்ம சுத்தி இருக்கிறவங்க, நம்மளோட வாழ்க்கையில நம்மளோட முன்னேற்றத்துக்கு உண்டான விஷயங்கள் இருக்கா, வாழ்க்கையில அவங்க முன்னேறத்துக்கு உண்டான விஷயங்கள் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்களா, அதான் நம்ம பார்த்துக்க வேண்டியது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான விஷயம். பிசிக்கலி நம்ம பண்ண வேண்டியது மூவ்மெண்ட் கொஞ்சம் இருக்கட்டும். சந்தோஷம், உங்களுக்கு என்னெல்லாம் சந்தோஷம் கொடுக்குதோ அத்தனை விஷயங்கள் நம்ம பண்ணலாம். இன்னொரு விஷயம் அவங்க சொன்னது எண்ணங்கள். நம்ம எண்ணங்கள் ஆரம்பிக்கிற போது இதை நான் பண்ணிருவேன், அதை நான் பண்ணிருவேன், இது பண்ணிடலாம், அதை நோக்கி பயணம் பண்றது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான ஒரு விஷயம் அவங்க சொன்னது. அது மட்டும் இல்லாம ஆரம்பிக்கிற நிலையிலேயே இது தவறாக போறதுக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்குதா, இத மாதிரி சிந்தனைகளும் இருக்க வேண்டியது அவசியம் இல்லை. பாஸ்ட்ல நம்ம ஒரு சில பேர் வாழ்ந்து கொண்டிருப்பாங்க. பாஸ்ட்ல சந்தோஷமான உங்க வாழ்க்கையில சாதனை பண்ண அத்தனை விஷயங்களும் சந்தோஷமான விஷயம், நீங்க அசைப்போட ஆரம்பிங்க. ரைட். இன்னொரு விஷயம் சொன்னது, விஷன் போர்டு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். அந்த விஷன் போர்டு வைக்கும் போது இது உங்களுக்கு ஸ்கேர் பண்ற மாதிரி விஷயங்கள் இருக்கணும். இந்த சென்ஸ் இது பிரமிக்க கூடிய ஒரு விஷயமா நமக்கு இருந்தா ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். சின்ன சின்னதா போடுறதை விட பெரிய விஷன் போர்டு வைக்கிறது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான விஷயம். ஸ்பெண்ட் டைம் வித் நேச்சர். நேச்சர் கூட எவ்வளவு நம்ம நேரம் கொடுக்கிறோமோ அவ்வளவு நமக்கு நம் உடம்பை, நம் மனதை, நம் எண்ணத்தை புதுப்பிக்கிறதுக்கு ரொம்பவே ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். நம்ம டைம் கிடைக்கும் போதெல்லாம் புத்தகங்கள், புக்ஸா இருக்கட்டும், யூடியூப் லிங்க்ஸா இருக்கட்டும், ஆன்லைன்ல நேரம் கிடைக்கும் போதெல்லாம் இதை பார்க்கலாம். 2 விஷயம் அவங்க சொன்னது, 1/2 an hour போதும், ஓவர்லோடும் பண்ணிக்க வேண்டாம். நம்ம கேட்கிற விஷயத்த செயல்ல கொண்டு வரதுக்கு உண்டான விஷயத்த நம்ம பார்த்தோம்னா ரொம்பவே ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். 30 minutes, that's it. ரைட். இன்னொரு விஷயம், நம்ம ஒவ்வொரு டைமும் நம்ம பண்ண வேண்டியது, நமக்கு என்ன பயம் ஸ்கேர் பண்ண வைக்குதோ அந்த விஷயத்த நம்ம மறுபடியும் பண்ணா மட்டும்தான் அது எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஆக முடியும். இது நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டியது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒரு விஷயம் இது. ரைட். சோ சேஞ்ச் யுவர் ஹேபிட். பழக்கத்தை 1 minute. பழக்கத்தை மாத்துவது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான விஷயம். ஹேபிட்டை பத்தி அவங்க சொன்னாங்க. நம்ம சுத்தி இருக்கிறவங்களோட ஹேபிட் எப்படி இருக்குது, அத மாதிரிதான் நம்மளோட ஹேபிட்டும் இருக்கிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் நிறைய இருக்குது. சோ எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் அழகா அற்புதமாக அவங்க பேஷனோட ஏதோ ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராம் எடுக்கணும்னு அவங்க ப்ரோக்ராம் எடுத்துட்டு போல. மை டியர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இங்கேருந்து அவங்க பிரசன்டேஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க ஃப்ரம் ஹார்ட். ரைட். நானும் டைம் கொடுத்திருக்கிறது 30 minutes or 1 hour ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு ட்ரைனிங் கொடுத்துட்டு போலாம். I don't think so. இங்கேருந்து அவங்க பிரசன்டேஷன் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க நமக்கு. சரி. சோ அவங்க நேரம் நமக்கு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான அவங்களோட நேரம் இன்னைக்கு நமக்கு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. பல விஷயங்கள் நமக்கு கத்து கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அந்த கத்து கொடுத்த விஷயங்களை நம்ம செயல்ல கொண்டு வரும்போது மட்டுமே தான் நம் வாழ்க்கையில பல விஷயங்கள் நம்மளால கொண்டு வர முடியும். நம் வாழ்க்கைய சர்வைவ்ல இருந்து த்ரைவ்க்கு நம்ம கொண்டு போறதுக்கு உண்டான ஒரு அழகான விஷயம் இன்னைக்கு ருச்சி டாக்டர் அவங்களுக்கு நம்ம கத்து கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் ருச்சிஜி ஃபார் யுவர் டைம் which you have given to us. Right. So we will be planning for 1 more session or 2 more session. Right. But it's lined up for next 3 months time. So once it's done, surely we will be taking your time. At that moment of time, please give us your time so that it will be helpful for us also. You can unmute yourself, ma'am. It's muted, I think so.
Thank you so much. It really gives so much pleasure I can't just describe. Because for me, life is bigger than anything else. And we are alive. Itself is a proof that yes, so much to do, so much to go for, and so much is on the way. Thank you so much. Enjoy yourself. Balasubramaniam, Punita, Jayati, Balapriya. I want to see you speaking. Everyone should speak. Everyone should take sessions. And Palani should be so busy for coming 3 months. They should not need Ruchi doctor. They should say, yeah, time in here, ma'am. Our team is so many presentations, no time. The whole Tamil Nadu is just going wild, just live. Everybody is live. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ruchiji. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Goodbye.
So YouTube viewers, நீங்க இந்த YouTubeல நீங்க பார்த்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. இந்த லிங்க் நீங்க பார்த்துக்கிட்டு யாரு உங்களுக்கு இந்த லிங்க் அனுப்புனாங்களோ அவங்கள்ட்ட மட்டும் கான்டாக்ட்ல இருங்க. உங்களுக்கு அத்தனை விஷயங்கள் உங்களுக்கு கத்துக் கொடுப்பாங்க. Thank you very much. உங்கள்ட்ட இந்த விடைபெறுவது நான் உங்கள் பழனியப்பன். நெக்ஸ்ட் செஷன்ல மீண்டும் சந்திப்போம். Thank you very much.